Hello friends. Today let's talk about pendulum. You can find pendulum in many varieties like crystal pendulum, seven chakra pendulum which represents your seven chakras of your body and copper and brass types of pendulum. The starting type of copper and brass types of pendulum, you can fill any type of crystals in it. Pendulums are basically used for asking questions like yes or no of any type of question, but it should be extreme yes or no. But always don't depend on pendulum to ask your questions. Pendulums work on your subconscious mind. The most richest or wealthiest people in this world always wake up at 4 o'clock, as it is also known as Delta period. At this time, if you start meditating, your seven chakras get stronger and your life path, your business, career gets easier and you get success easily. And your subconscious mind starts connecting with your conscious mind, which is a infinite knowledge. Now let's talk about uses of pendulum. If your anything is lost like car keys, then you can find through your pendulum in which direction it is. If it is a treasury under your home, then you can find with a pendulum that where is your treasury digged. If it is of underground water, then you can find through a pendulum that in underground there is a water present or not. You can find out many metals like gold, silver and many more under your house. Many students always get curious whether they are pass or fail in an exam. You can ask through a pendulum of a particular subject whether you have passed or not. You can ask a pendulum about your relationship, whether in a present that person whom you are in relationship is loyal to you or not. You can ask a pendulum about any type of weather report, whether it will rain today or not. You can ask a pendulum about your job, but always ask close-ended questions. Never ask open-ended questions as pendulum can never answer that. Such as, how is my resume? Is my chosen company supportive for me? Is my boss good? Will I get experience to get successful from this job? And so on. Now, let's talk about a pendulum. Have you ever wondered when you keep a pendulum at a wall, it never moves? This is because it never receives any form of energy transmitted to it. A pendulum only starts moving when it starts receiving messages from your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind starts sending it messages through nerves. Your Guru Grah or Jupiter finger is very sensitive. That's why we never use while tilak or chanting mala. Now let's talk about how to hold a pendulum. Hold your fingers in Gyan Mudra. When you can feel your pulse, that's the correct position of holding a pendulum. As through your nerves, your subconscious mind starts sending messages. Have you ever wondered that why sometimes your pendulum not responds correctly? This is because the energy of your pendulum has been decreased. You have to start energizing. For that, place your pendulum on left hand and upper side right hand and start healing it. If you wake up at 4 a.m., then your seven chakras start getting stronger and your subconscious mind strongly connects with your pendulum. Then it starts energizing your pendulum and your pendulum becomes accurate. Your pendulum is neither connected with time, so it can answer your past, future, and present questions also. But remember one thing, when you ask a pendulum a question, be in a calm mind, as an emotional mind can disturb your subconscious mind to be connected with a pendulum and it can never give a correct answer at that situation. Have you ever thought the power of your subconscious mind while you are cycling, driving, or swimming? Even if you are standing on this earth, it's the power of your subconscious mind. While your conscious mind is sitting, your subconscious mind is connecting the cosmic energies. Now let's talk about how a pendulum speaks or directs you the direction. If you are asking a question and the pendulum rotates clockwise, then it is a yes. If your pendulum is rotating in anti-clockwise direction, then it is a no. The directions are, if your pendulum is moving from up and down, then it is a yes. If your pendulum is moving from left and right, then it is a no. Your pendulum receives your energies from your subconscious mind. But if you want to program it in a perfect way, then you have to use some charts like 9 planets pendulum chart. Place the pendulum in center of this chart and ask a question that which planet is unsupportive to you. If the pendulum directs that it's the Bud planet, then you have to keep green aventure bracelet or stone in your pocket. These stones are also used for planets, health, wealth, career, business support and many more. In your lucky alphabet and number, you can find out which are the supportive alphabets and numbers which are supportive for your success. In percentage of work pendulum chart, you can find out that a work how much percent that is successful for you. 5 elements pendulum chart. You can find out which element is balanced and which is imbalanced. The imbalanced element should be balanced by you. Similarly, you can get health pendulum chart, business and career pendulum chart, which business is supportive for you, and best direction pendulum chart, the direction which is very supportive for you. You should sit there and meditate. You can also get healing and energizing pendulum chart. Place your pendulum in center of this chart and start healing. As you healing, the pendulum starts getting energy. Similarly, there are different type of diagrams and healing symbols. Thanks for watching our video. Do drop a like and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel as it motivates us.